So we met at the Caribou City office, and I was visiting my friend Tony, bringing him lunch, and Laura, one of my bridesmaids, actually introduced us, although pretty much everyone at the PD takes credit for us getting together.
She's very proactive, she's very overachieving and stuff like that, and I just felt like I could talk to her and just tell her anything. Didn't matter what it was, didn't matter if she would get, if it was something bad, I could still talk to her about it, and I just felt like that's what I was looking for.
Family and friends, today we are gathered here in the presence of the Lord, at the invitation of Aaron and Idella, to share in the joy of their wedding. We have come to witness and celebrate as they create an everlasting bond that they will cherish for a lifetime. We rejoice with them as the outward symbol of an inward union created by friendship, respect, love, and shared faith. Aaron, do you come here freely and willingly with a conscious desire to be united in marriage with Idella?
I do.
Idella, do you come here freely and willingly with a conscious desire to be united in marriage with Aaron?
I do.
Do you, Aaron, take this woman Idella to be your wife, best friend, and favorite adventure partner? Will you stand beside her for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health? Will you laugh with her, be proud of her, support her in both sorrow and success, grow old with her, and find new reasons to love her every day? Aaron, do you choose Idella to be your lawfully wedded wife, promising to love, honor, protect, and cherish her, and in all respects to be a faithful husband so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Idella, take this man, Aaron, to be your husband, best friend, and favorite adventure partner? Will you stand beside him for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health? Will you laugh with him, be proud of him, support him in both sorrow and success, grow old with him, and find new reasons to love him every day? Idella, do you choose Aaron to be your lawfully wedded husband, promising to love, honor, protect, and cherish him, and in all respects to be a faithful wife so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Obviously, Idella, I tell you all the time that I love you, but really I can't picture my life without you at all. Like, I've never felt like this with anybody before, so that's how I knew you were the one, and I'm hoping this continues and we continue to have fun and the adventures that we've had so far, because we have so much fun together and we laugh and we joke, and it just feels natural. I can be myself and not have to be somebody else, so I love you very much.
The way you both look at each other is the way that every couple should, and I hope you still get butterflies from each other in 50 years. Keep making memories, laugh together, cry together, never go a day without saying I love you, and most importantly, keep each other safe. Life is short and we only get one shot to do it right.
Each other every day how much that we love each other and how much we appreciate each other and how much that I am glad everything worked out the way that it did. There's really like no words that I can use to describe our relationship and how much I love him and how perfect he is for me.
Idella, you deserve a good guy like Aaron. You really do. You know, someone who's handsome, someone who's smart, muscular. But in all seriousness, last night I think I asked Aaron 1,000,000 times if he was nervous. And every time he looked at me and he said, "Not really." And before I left, I asked him, "You're really not nervous?" He told me, "I'm nervous about the ceremony and being in front of all these people. But getting married? No. I love her. That's the easiest part."